Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to survival Minecraft PE. I get a white horse. This is hard to build a house. There is no cheat, and my dog is gone. I'm here with Ultra add-ons, Ultra Traders add-on. This is so cool, guys. So cool. Water is so bright. The grass is moving. I'm not moving. Oh, sorry. Look at this. Look at. So cool, guys. So cool add-on. I'm a lot of add-on. It's actually lag. My Minecraft is so lag. Done. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So smooth. So smooth. And the lights. Right, the lights. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and hit 100 likes. 100 likes, please. And subscribe to my channel on DJ Gamer 58. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.